Yes, YouTube world, One Nation family, give thanks to a new day, you know? Yes, man, and once we give thanks to a new day, you know, say we are alive. And we have to give the praises to the Almighty. We can't give it to man. Because no man can make we alive. You have more man want unalive you. More than make you be alive. One man can't do that. And the Almighty. So we have to give thanks and praise to him when we wake up and we find out that we are alive. Alright? Blessed to everyone, each and everyone who support this channel. Alright? Bless upon yourself. Stay safe. And don't just stay safe within the hands of human being, as me I say. Alright? Also stay safe within the hands of the Lord. Alright? Make sure you believe. Believe! Believe no man? Yeah man, believe in the Almighty. You understand? Sometimes you hear some man with some reason in a road where the Almighty is concerned. You have to wonder if he's mad. You have to wonder if something wrong with him. Because to him sound him like him a praise somebody else. It's not a case where you know you have Church of God and you have Seventh Day and you have Catholic and you have this. So you know, so everybody have them different version towards the Almighty. But at the end of the day, it's just the one person. Alright? The whole of we are pray to. It's just everybody in a them own way might interpret the Bible in a different way and interpret the Lord itself. The Lord himself in a different way. Alright? But we can all see and know that the whole of we. But you have some man just not believing and nothing at all. Him just believes that him depend land just because depend land sake. Him just probably, you know, if I even a bird make you there, who make the bird there? And if you question him, he might tell you say the bird just appear just like how him appear. So sometimes you don't want to argue into them man. Alright? But make sure you just stay safe. Anyway, people, you don't know the whole saga will take over. You know, so when certain things take over the side of social media, it not just drop just so. Especially when it come on to certain individual. Yeah, alright? It not just drop that way there. It continue and it prolong for a few days till something else crop up. Whether what crop up I go strong enough as it or stronger on it or what. But them just realize say it not make no sense them continue to talk. So they might just drop it. But you're going to have it for a few days. So Curly, as you know, she come out last night, yesterday, and she endorsed the whole operation of, you know, the fake organizers of the Tell Lie camp. So me here she come out with a video. How she start the video come like a me she start pan because some things that she say, when she don't really dwell long pan it, it sound like a me she a talk, but at one point it me don't know if she a try to talk to 3-4 hours one time. But she come out here, Donna not have nothing for she jealous of her. She speak of the whole situation of people saying her son that jail and him do this and one bag of shit. Then she get on to what is on the table right now with the whole Tell Lie camp and cancellation of them writing to the city council, and there's a cancellation of Donna. As I said in the previous video, I have not heard anything official from Donna or a team who I can probably recognize or say, okay, this is Donna team, whether legal team, management team or whatsoever. So I still can't say anything goes so. But one thing I want to point out and highlight here. If there's a thing, or I should say, if I should say something goes or something not goes so, I would want to think that nothing not goes so. Reason being, If you notice, I haven't heard Donna say anything, as I said. And I've seen Donna make a post today, couple hours just before I do this video. Make a post today posting the event. Alright. In posting the event, it can be two things. Not saying what they are saying, and I saw it go. But remember now, there was two things that were hired to probably be the host of the show. Plus she was going to be awarded. Alright. Based on, you know, little knowledge and understanding, when me I gather little knowledge about the whole situation, I don't quite sure who is really honoring or who was planning on honoring Donna. But these people make it look like, okay, it is the theater whatsoever is honoring her. But you know, when me I put one and one together and I hear bits and pieces here, it don't must be the state of honor Donna, you know. Remember, you have Jamaican all over in the diaspora. And yearly basic, monthly basic, time on top of times, you have these groups in the diaspora from different countries, not just Jamaica, who is all over in the diaspora, who is a recognized group, unlike for them group which is unrecognized, who time to time they will choose people from their country or even same place in the United States of America, Canada, England, whichever them they at the time, you know, who are doing good in the sight, in the eyesight of them, and them organized to, you know, award these people. People can use different methods to award people, different ways. I can be keeping a show. So for instance, like Sunfest I keep. I have an organization where I can say, okay, you know, so I want to award this artist here for his contribution to music in Jamaica. I can link up the promoter of the show, which is Joe Bogdanovich, suggest it to him, and say, you know, so I beg you a little 5 minutes here of this artist performance to award him, whether by surprise or just randomly, or him aware then or she aware, whichever, female or male. And him say, yeah man, it's not Sunfest award the artist, you know. I just use the opportunity to link the promoters of Sunfest as an organizing body with my peers and colleagues, to use that opportunity and Sunfest to award this artist. So I am saying this to say that I don't know the full details, but I am just saying it can be a group from the diaspora of Jamaica, who's in the diaspora, who is from Jamaica, you know, who knows the job that Donna has been doing where humanitarian is concerned and stuff in Jamaica. Not necessarily she have to in America do it. Not necessarily she have to in America for years on top of years, as like me here just the curve dirty chow. I give chow. You know what? Keep quiet. You know, I thought like how much years gonna spend in America? I wanna do in America for come get this award. And they don't even question where real this award is coming from. Who is the persons who is really going to award Donna? I don't think them do them due diligence and question. But because I'm here the city council, it might come under the city council. Not saying it's not the city council, but I want you to get to understand me. I say, me know them don't go through that. You know, they don't know if it's just a organization in the diaspora who is officially a group of people who have been recognized because of registration of through the process of this. Unlike them when they registered and claim to say they are a group of people, yes. None of them take the time out to do that. But, you know, at the end of the day, so for instance, the award is taken, not going to bother issue up because of whatever reasons or whosoever gave the award. Donna still has a job because guess what, you know? She's still promoting the event. So that simple mean, put the award aside, she still have her job. Me getting an award, yes, it's an accomplishment for know so people recognize me to give me an award for the job that I have done and what they see me for. But come on, at the end of the day, Mr. Chin, sell me half bag of rice there, half case of bully beef, half tin of mackerel, half case of mackerel. Me can't go to Mr. Chin shop with the award. But what? It's like based on how no attack of the whole jealousy of she accept giving an award. Uno say she go come and brag and boast and we are gonna come out here and brag and boast. So at that Uno I run from. If you say, oh, she just come to America and people in America award her. These people are probably Jamaicans, as me say, a family of a group that recognize. It's not the American government. So why are you afraid for make the woman, afraid for the woman get an award for we come out here come talk? So you see, what it lead up to every time is like just jealousy. Jealousy, and then you don't sound not jealous. But when you check the ratio, it's all about jealousy. Because if Uno go say these are the things why Uno don't want the woman to get the award. Come on. Come on. But as me I said, back to what me I said, the award can't take to Mr. Chin shop. At the end of the day, when Donna done host that show and she get what she's supposed to get, one of you do that, you know, if you stop and take from her. Because if you try to stop that, you know, she's still going to get paid. I want to say a foreign that in Jamaica where a man can tell us, oh, you not perform, oh, you never sign a document, so you can't get no money. You postpone, or you cancel me, not postpone, you cancel me from your show that you hire me to perform by hearing stories from people where you know do not do diligence, you know do no investigation to find out what is what, but because time is up on you and you don't want people to come out and boycott your show, non-relevant people who is not carrying anything to your show, you don't want them to boycott your show, so you run and respond to them and give them what they want. When if you never respond to them, you don't have much to lose. But with what you do, you have a lot to lose what you do to me. Because basically, you might still have to pay me. And two, my supporters that I would have pulled to your show, I'm going to pull them away from your show. So who lose? You understand? But as me I say, them I say them get victory. I don't know where the victory come from. Because I know a lot of people like myself, I go wait now to see. I think what Saturday is the day? What will be the outcome on Saturday? Because one might just get a shock on the life. One might just get a heart attack. One might just hear say one have some form of heart disease. Because when you see we want to come out here and reel up for victory for and the other way around it go. But we just play the wait and see game. People, you don't know what they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend we're going to jump into the video with Marcia. Hit the thumbs up on the video and please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me up on TikTok Life is a Mission TV. And please to go and support the merge. When you support the merge on the website of Charms and Trends, that shop, you help me to continue to support the needy and not the greedy. You understand? I have a little adapter program where I want to adopt 5 persons, elderly persons, that I can give back some grocery to at the end of the month. Now, how small it is, them can depend on a little parcel at the end of the month. But for now, I only can do 2 because I only can commit it to 2. Alright? So, when you support the merge, watch the ads, make the video them can get some algorithm by pressing the thumbs up. More people can watch and come on board and support by watching the ads. We might can take on 1 or 2 more from the 5. But for now, 2. Anyway, we're gonna jump into the video right away.
You know, I made a video last night.
Wait, this a girl just a wake up, you know. Sleep and dream on social media when I'm PR and she no need.
Come right up and talk about how CJ that prison and
Wanna listen?
CJ that is
Me never said this in my previous video.
Are your daddy? Are you pinning them that person?
But when you talk about army
CJ
and
is a
navy,
born
me feel like I'm a share talk.
Your mother been here and a naturalized citizen. I'm working at this country from your 17 up until today. So you're not going in the army, you're not going in the navy. Anybody will come from Jamaica and they want to go in the army and navy, they need to go do that as you make the references.
That's what me feel like I'm a share talk. But Marcia, don't come out here with some, some little crappy, silly, reasons. You work from your 17 till you're how old? You start work from your 17 as according to you. And you stop work about before you even 30 years old. You have not contributed much to the coffers of America. Somebody say the more you work and the more you pay is the more you get when you retire. More than one people tell me say them know people who used to work and whatsoever and they've not get $200 right now for pension. Don't even get $200 because they never did that so much. You work from 17 and stop before you reach 30 years old. And the amount you have benefit back from the American government is more than what you show. From what I know, you get up every day and boast about your work and your this. So this is the excuse for your son CJ, who is a born American. Busy about the people that want to come from Jamaica who want to join army. Because your son has no ambition like you. And that you need to admit. So you never know, say your son would have born non-ambitious just like you. But where you have to remember, all time saying, say, chick na fly far from black. Plus, you have another one of them say, it's in your genes. And you're one pitney that so you have the whole of your genes. And like you have 2, 3, 4, so the whole of your genes spread out. Every one of your gene coming like clout. So it just go in and in. With your poor excuse. Him don't have to go into the army, you have a right. But there is so many other opportunities. But where is he now? In a New York on some corner, each up with some Yankees. You say it. You understand? So if a person want to left Jamaica or a person child want to left Jamaica and come to America. Yes, them left Jamaica and come to America with ambition. That's why them do what them do and go into the army and try to achieve. So don't come out here with your silly excuse. Why your son is being oatless just like you for 26 years old. He has achieved nothing in America as an American citizen. I just want to make him, you come like make him achieve a passport, which is the only thing you achieve in America. Yeah, it come like I just want him even achieve a passport, which is the only thing you yourself as the mama achieve an American passport. So if nobody last oatless and non-ambitious and non-ambition people, them can just look nowhere else but look at you and your son. It's like a walking placard, a walking advertisement. Mother and son are walk as two oatless American citizens. If you check them ratio deeply, one at 26 and one double the age 52. So them say them are 60 odd. You understand? But make put it at the 52, the American age when them using the system. Yes, just to beat the system. One at 26, one at 52. How ironic it is. One at half the one age. And the two no is American citizen. I don't have no. Me not talk about great achievement. No achievement in America. None. You has achieved an American passport. Him never achieved none as a born American. Cause it just seems as me say recently since you left back Jamaica, you go up look for passport because you want to carry a Jamaica for summer. Cause you can't go nowhere else. You understand? And you come and go talk and find silly excuse about who want to come join Navy, who want to join Army. Him never go join Army or Navy. Only for other opportunities in America. Look at America. All different nation and country there in America. You know why? Because of opportunities. Because of opportunity. You have people who are run left even England. We are big foreign. If you come to America, what that tell you say? People see more opportunity in America. And you were there as an American citizen for how long are your son were born there? Can't see it. If you choose none, or not choose voteless, and have no ambition of them something they want to choose.
You only can talk, you never see. So don't come back and brag about people where you never see people, where they never ever see people pitney.
The amount of people you come bring down saying I have this and have that, and you don't know them from nowhere. And a mansion, most of them people you have far better off than you. Courthouse, everything you talk about courthouse.
Such evidence out there like
Probably I
that.
set them set so you know to lose everything else you have, you know. Turn in a real time papa.
Show me the documentation. Where CJ people credit card. Go look for a phone and put if CJ out there thief phone a credit card, phone a pitney a murderer, I in a prison. If my one in a prison for thief credit card and a thief your phone a one that prison at Jamaica for murdering people and thief people, what about that? What about that? What about that? If my one in a prison for thief credit card, phone a one in a prison for murder people, a phone a son them that Jamaica that and nephew and cousin that Jamaica murder people and rob people. I in a prison. And some of them can't find. What about that? What about that? The truth hurt?
The truth always hurt you, yes?
Always coming up here, good morning.
The truth always hurt you.
You're talking about somebody jealous of people. Then what is it to be jealous about? You tell me now. That is one person I'm not jealous for.
It is obvious because when you come out here and make some statement, at least not done still. The thing is, you know,
that is
them probably not seeing when them come out here to make us to speak and them make a statement. What they are saying can in terms use, let me classify them as a jealous person because of the statement where they make. But because they are so dunce, them they have not realized what them say make them sound as a jealous person. Because some statement want to come out here, come make out here, you know. And the clause and things want to use in those statements. Uno left nobody else to believe say uno just a speak and not jealous. It's all jealousy written all over it. It just coming like when a footballer get to in front of the goal, all when the goal is drop and him have the goal in front, everybody say goal written all over it and him still kick the ball over the bar. Cause the goal is drop and him in front of the big old goal so and him still kick the ball over the bar. When goal written all over the ball, everybody says a goal is. Uno come out here and make some statement and jealousy written all over the statement, and when people sound jealous, sound not jealous, uno for jealous over where this woman have for jealous. But where she have for come out here come make the statement wanna make. And the statement wanna make is a clear sign of jealousy, included bad mind.
That is the worst joke that people can ever come on social media. Anybody jealous of she, I must say, but show it me. I'm speaking for myself. I mean, no, me, Master, can't swear upon the Holy Bible of my life, of my pit name life. That is one individual, me not jealous of. Unless me senile. I mean, I reach so yet. Unless I don't have a mind of my own. Unless they need to carry me in the building department.
You don't.
They must be mad, sick, head, no good.
You know you don't have a mind of your own. Just
What does she
pretend
have
like
to
you do.
jealous?
Look how quick you, if you have a mind of your own, you wanna run out so quick. And a stress. This is the second video me here because you might do more before. More since you do that one, yeah. When me not here. About this whole situation with Lorraine and our old shitty group. You understand what I say? If you have a mind of your own, you wanna run out and jump on the back wagon. You don't just hear and do like you know hear and sit down and watch the ride and see what can happen. But you just run out without having facts that we are going. You just see things and you just run out. And you congratulate, you're rejoicing, and you're all kind of sitting. So you don't have a mind of your own. If you have a mind of your own, you don't watch the ride.
But the followers them, hypocrite followers them, where she have on her page, who are steer the wrong way. Huh? That is it.
And that you go jar for the followers that she have.
I must say that. I'm sure not jealous of that.
And the followers them you go jar for, yes. 5 minutes
Because
you come out to your talk.
if me wasn't important out here, my name would call up every day 24/7.
Come on.
So any jealousy out here, I must say she jealous of me.
That's what you call important. Marcia, if you don't come out here, I challenge you. I challenge you, Marcia. Come out here. Don't come out here for a week or two and if nobody call your name. Don't come out here for a week or two and if nobody call your name. Then you will know if you're important. Nobody now go call your name. Because you don't out here chatting any form of crap and rubbish out of your filthy mouth. So nobody wouldn't have nothing to come out here come talk about Marcia this, Marcia that, Marcia Tara. You understand? But if it is important and you take away yourself for a week or two, people that still there by your name. Look upon it. Tina have not over here saying anything for the longest a while. Probably, I can't remember because 2-3 weeks probably now. You hear nobody talk about Tina? Check everybody. I must say once when I see do one video about Tina. And when me I check the video and I run the file and see me, I said, no sir, this video never really worth it because me not see where one post that she make really have nothing to do with the video where the individual make. But away from that video, there is nobody out here do a video about Tina. None. The only way you might hear her name call unless them make a reference. And she want them to fit the reference. Or something will happen and the person are related. Well, okay, remember when Tina they do very simple. But nobody calls Tina name out here for the past 2 to 3 weeks. Me see the amount of people that ask where is she. You understand? The amount of people are asked where is she. So if she did important, people that talk about her. Whether she's here or not. So if you want to find out if you're really important, take away your... Alright, look at it. The other day, just before you come to Jamaica, you missed the after airway for a couple of days. How much people do a video about you? How much people talk about you? God bless if there was 1 or 2 somebody talk about you. Any talk them talk about you, it's just the same thing I refer about Tina a while ago. Somebody might be using you as a reference. Or the topic where the person depend you might probably involve somewhere along the line and the person might have to say, when Marcia did say this or said that. But there was nobody out here talking about you on a video because you wasn't out here using your dirt or... You understand? Your dirt truck, your rubbish bin. You never out here using it, polluting the place. So nobody never have nothing to say. So if you want to prove if you're important, do that and beat us. Don't come out here for a week or 2 and see if anybody speak about you. Nobody speak about you. And that will show you say you're not important. Because whether you're there or not, if you're important, people supposed to be speaking about you because you're important to this part of social media. But you're not, Marcia.
So, don't even go there. I mean, no say, me no matter. The only way me can jealous an individual unless something wrong with me. Me no know. Me don't know why me that jealous of somebody. Feel what? I must see our followers them. Our followers don't mean nothing if they not support you.
Hey! Hey!
So me don't know.
Punch the ear!
Cause she have how much followers.
Punch the
And
ear!
when she log on, she can never get where Andrea get, but
Talk about yourself! You just put a nail in your foot and your hand. Talk about yourself. Don't bring Andre into this. Talk about yourself. Don't bring Andre into this. Because you're going to contradict yourself now, you know, because at the same time, you speak that high numbers don't mean people support you. But you're going to use number now. So when Andre upon Film Live him have 10,000, she can't be able to find her unless she had deal with something special. So don't contradict yourself, you know. But leave Andre on him platform and how much people are following him in time, him go live and whatsoever. Leave him out. Because you already contradict that already, you know. You understand? So now use Andre. But when you're going to talk about how much people are watch you, but them not, how much people you have but them not support you, then you're going to come with something about Andre numbers. But anyway, you if you know that all these people you see are watch you, they are not your supporters. And you have proved that more than one time. So I don't know why you continue to talk about members only. Your members are lonely. Let me say, your members are lonely.
my page. So if anybody me jealous, I must Andrea. I may not even watch Andrea like that. Once in a blue moon, I go meet my pop over Andrea for 5 minutes. So if me not got jealous of somebody, I would have been jealous of Andrea because I am the intelligent.
So why are you use him as reference? That simply means come like you're jealous.
She can reach that unless there's something significant she have. Andrea rocks 10,000 every day. So, me no know what. I'm not jealous of her.
That's why you're watching my and jealous of him.
Wish she make look followers them. That don't mean nothing to me. I wish she make on a monthly basis by YouTube that will make her make that in a week or two.
Doing what, Marcia?
So what is there for me jealous?
Selling your mouth,
you tell me.
Your rear and your crotch.
You people are
almost a 3-piece combo you go give man and that.
So
Marcia,
so what me jealous?
stop talk foolishness. Me can't tell you that as a YouTuber you're so a little waffle daffle. YouTuber right here so. Say you can't make what Donna make. I mean them not talk about probably our Facebook or just talk about YouTube. You can't make what Donna make off of YouTube for 2 months. How much you get paid for your pay so Marcia? You keep on going like say you're the one CEO, you're the CEO of the Bank of America or Samsung or one of them big company there. You're the technical engineer for Samsung. So every phone you come out, you are the mastermind behind it. So you know you have to have good money you get, you know. Because them don't want to lose somebody like you. You have to make them the type of status that you have and get them type of pay there. Hey? But you can't get that in a 2 weeks. Where you can't get in a 2 weeks? And you're hungry like a dog where you want to feed. No come out and come go like you want to take the people and feed that. You're going like say the work where you're in I pay so much more than anybody else than in the same work as you. The only thing you might get a one incentive. And if somebody the normal pay probably $50, you might get $60 or $55. Don't make it look like you pay 3 times where other rest of people them get. Move. You coming like foul, you can't find them rules. I must say that's why you don't want no house.
Blouse and skirt in the morning, yeah. No, sir. Good morning, people. Good morning. We just don't like to hear the truth, and the truth shall set me free. I mean, I could waste too much energy pound this morning. I say what I say. Congratulations to the people who wrote to those people. And then take it back.
After weekend, we're going to keep a party.
And it's
and celebrate.
They did a awesome decision. Thank God, nobody can buy out certain offices. And they need to know that people are deserving of it.
People
America,
know no
this.
fun that like to see the award
Go on a
ceremony.
yard, can't go on
Go
a
and
broad.
see where you sat there now.
There is
They
laws,
bench
rules,
them.
and regulation. And you must
What
earn
all
the
the laugh
stripe.
upon them?
And she don't earn fair stripe.
I
We get
can't
an
wait to
award
see the
like that, and
weekend
you all
because I
know
want
that.
to see what I go
Stop
on.
being a hypocrite. The only reason why I don't
Because
want to get
only that
something
feel
like
that
that is
sort
because I
of
don't
way
want
where all the
to
boy me I tell you
bum
no.
brag. I say, oh, my auntie get this and my auntie get that. When I do America so long and I get nothing. Me not do nothing in America for me get
You
the
hear one I think why them don't want to get it?
at Jamaica,
So
me
no
must
see
get
it's
the
all
Jamaica,
about
me
jealousy.
must be acknowledged. Because at Jamaica grown, me can't do it. So at Jamaica, we must get an acknowledging certain.
So if you have Jamaicans in the diaspora who love them people and them country back home, and they have a group, how many times you have seen groups in America? Groups, not government agency and government, but official groups that registered honor people for all different reasons. And not because she do the work in Jamaica, she cannot be honored by her next country. So Miss Kitty recently get honored. There's any work you know of Miss Kitty do in the state or whatsoever where she get honored? But the work that she have done overall as a woman, the award don't just stop within the state that the organizers are in. If you come from China and them feel like say you do good, them have a body and they might call up 4 or 5 somebody and they might vote for who fit and fit the criteria. So whether you come from America, you come from Australia, or you come from New Zealand, the group might have an award that they are giving out to a such person on a wide basis, no matter which country you come from. Once they can see you and see the job and check out your whole criteria and see your work what you do, you might be nominated by a group of people or a group of people along the body. And they might say, alright, we're going to pick 3 from this and 3 from this. Now we're going to see who of the 3 have the best criteria despite the work that they are doing. You don't want to see the criteria behind it because they might look for certain other little things, not just what you do in humanitarian or whatever they are going to honor you for. And then the man with the best scores, the best points behind the job where they do might come out the winner. So it don't necessarily mean because a group honor you from certain country, you have to be from that country or you have to do the job in that country. You don't know what the honoring is all about. What criteria the honoring is about. Better know if you ask you what the honoring is about. You can't talk. You're going to just come and say, humanitarian, show what you do in America. They are looking for probably somebody to do humanitarian work, but not in America. Somebody from Jamaica. You understand? The organizers are looking for somebody from Jamaica who do humanitarian work and fit a certain criteria, and Donna is the person that falls right there. So not because the group is from America, they might look definitely from somebody from America who do humanitarian work. And this is where no knowledge you have limited if you don't have no knowledge at all. And then you have a few 1.5 people behind you, or a few half people behind you, we claim to say they are educated, sensible, and bright like morning star. Who still a lead, So it come like dunce a lead dunce. But guess what? When it come on to a certain people, you just want to tear them down. I go and use a little reference here so before I get back into the main part of the video. I see a little thing I go on where 13 and Chris is concerned with the whole GoFundMe. Where I don't know, one woman name was a Caribbean Spice. I don't know who. And Sophia Donkey. Me hear 13 must be on her live. Oh, right now, this coming like 13 frack get clean, it not dirty no more. Because she beg them to stop. Don't use the GoFundMe when me put up And go at Chris if you don't want, go at Chris. Don't use it to not pressure me now and then. If him want to donate, tweet him donate. If him don't want to donate, him just not donate. You don't use it because they must post things on them page. And it cost one bag of animosity. But these people, as you know, Sophia Donkey and whosoever the Caribbean Spice woman is, I don't know, might have something personal with Chris. So they might use that opportunity now with the whole GoFundMe thing, and Chris use the GoFundMe and donate to her GoFundMe where she put up for her friend or the person where she know. And it is so easy to see that these people are just using this to earn Chris. It's not really of the interest of whosoever 13 put up the GoFundMe for you. So you understand me? I try to say to you, once people just don't in a certain belief of you or they are not with you or them just want to see you go down, them will join all. Yo, you know, let me get back into the main video. But you don't understand me? I try to say.
Yes.
People, man, I tell you, people are dangerous.
What she get? What she do?
Because them are defend Chris to do this and do that, and I know it's not the sole interest of 13 and the person where the GoFundMe put up for. It's just to use the opportunity to go at Chris.
Belmont Park, Awestruck. I said, there is nothing when I can tell me out here that can hurt me.
We know.
Oh, caca-eye.
You know, because you know no shame and ambition, man.
You know America so long, bitches. You don't have what I have. Me not ask you. You know some broke pocket motherfucker. You don't have what I have. So there's no need for what I have with you know. Me sound like a scratch record at them. Sound like a scratch record where I call up my name every day.
It all will show out here where you have from where you don't have.
You
Don't
sound
worry.
like a scratch record.
It all will show out
Them
here.
sound like a scratch, them not sound
What
like a
you
scratch
have from
record.
what you don't have.
Yeah. Oh, me sound like a scratch record. Why do I come out and repeat myself? Why do they come out and repeat? Why do they come out and repeat themselves? You think say me come out and repeat myself when they expect them come up and chat about my son? Eh? And I tell lie about my son. Talk the truth when going there. Talk the truth when go they go spending 2 months for and come out. Disobeying the judge. For almost a year. If you go court and go court, the judge punish him. He spend 2 months and come out. Don't come back social media can spread no rumors and talk about my people in our prison. If only that may have only land. If you throw 1, 2 pieces of bamboo pan and put some power upon. Some bow pan.
You're right for laugh off of yourself.
Them who cost me don't have it.
Because if you don't start from how long when steel, you could have get a ton of steel for 20,000. I know steel gone 200,000 by the time you already gone 1 million a ton. You gonna do it? When you don't have nothing in a life?
If you go sit down, I bunny bun them. Nobody not jealous and nothing over here. The truth is the truth. When you earn your rights, and you earn your rights, and you earn a stripe, you earn a stripe, you earn a stripe. And that is it.
I want one of the biggest surprise happening this weekend.
Set me free.
Yeah, man, the award I know to Donna. I want one of the biggest surprise because me I tell you, you're supposed to feel like.
So I don't care what they want to say. And let me make it clear. My son is in no prison. Because my son did not fit that prison. Because true me know say when you don't have a proof, you can't get it.
But you don't have nothing to get nobody. You don't have nothing to get nobody, so you don't have to get that debate there.
You cannot get a proof, you cannot get it.
You don't have no savings.
If you can't sit down on social media and wish that for another woman's son, me wish it back for my son and daughter too. And them figure out prison for 5 years and 10 years and 15 years.
That thing you wish for people pick me out here, me can't testify. Me 3-4 month old pitney.
That's what it is.
Me can't testify.
You don't have nothing.
Why you have Alzheimer's weight name? Or you can't recall? Eh? Me can't testify. Me 3 to 4 month old pitney. We're almost 1.5 year old now. So probably 2 so long, you remember? When me never ever come out here come talk about your pitney back then. Until them time they when you start do that. Cause I was always a stand for no kids. Don't try to ramp with my food, which is my money, where me I work, what my hustling, whatsoever. sickness. I was always a stand for that. Oh, so now come out here, come tell a lie, woman. Don't come out here, come do that. Every money in your bank account.
I say what I say last night in the video, and I taking it back. I'm going to basically brush my teeth. I'm going to get my breakfast.
But no, you take it back, because I'm not going to shame in the long run.
Yes, blessed and highly favored.
One way or the other, I'm not going to shame.
I get breakfast around 8:30. Tell them, say, you're going to show it.
That's how you want to live, man.
And my words stand.
It's coming her.
She don't deserve it. She not reach them the point in her life for get no award from no America. Most from little tiny people them, like we normally give her like princess award of them people not that they award there. She don't reach this level there yet in America to get that. Not
all the years she attack. She don't know the truth.
And whoever wrote to them
about this award, who really giving this award, but because she hear the council. Last laugh a laugh. And at the end of the day, make sure the profit from this.
People out there to get it.
If so be the case at the end of the day, make sure the profit.
Now what we gonna show off out there upon nobody when them don't deserve it. There's a lot of people in America who deserve that. It's not a show and tell out here. A serious business are going on when people give out award like that. And people who work for it, forget it. She don't.
And you forget it.
So whosoever.
And you forget it, you know, so you forget it. So with the work where you do there, show the work where you do not call we not see.
Come to your senses and look into it and make a decision. Anybody out here support bullying and harassment of women and children don't deserve those type of award. Let me repeat it.
But if you ever say the woman a support harassment and bullying of children, she a support. But you are do it. You are do it. I have never before you come at my kids ever speak of your kids. Never. I can't put me on my life. I can't put my life on the line, my kids' life on the line, and swear to Father God, I have never come out here against your kids before you come at my kids. And it wasn't my baby you come at first. You come at my daughter. Because at that time, I said my daughter live. When my daughter live comfortable in a brand new king size bed when a roach not itch up between nowhere. Brand new, see it here? She sleeping night before me. Cause queen size me did sleeping while she was sleeping a king. I wasn't here when my daughter was here. I say, oh, me this to my daughter this, and my daughter figure this, and then you read. And them time that me even in trouble CJ. I don't go at CJ. Not CJ, I don't go at Romy. I go at CJ as the more elder one of the two. Is when you go at my baby now at 3 to 4 months. Then I come at Romy. Then I start put Romy per animal. I remember, me know how to get you out. You see, if it was all about content, all these thumbnails me I put up, all me have to do, there is so much in my phone where me can put on in my phone where they even use it. All me have to do, you know, is just throw up some of them on my phone and time I make the video them with you, you know. And you see, sometimes I make all video, I never make no thumbnail. Sometimes I don't have the time to do it. So when you ever say the woman a support people who do that, you are doing it yourself. So why you have a problem with somebody else who are doing it? If somebody else even not do it and do it to you, why you want to do it to somebody else who's not doing it to you? Eh? Why you want to do it to somebody else, other parents, other kids who have nothing to do with you and whosoever, and you You know, on a picnic argument. Come no man. Make it make sense. But you have a problem saying people are support people where do harassment of kids and this and that. Where? You know, look for things phone away.
Here supporting
on yourself.
bullying and harassment for women and children and babies.
You yourself harass woman out there.
Deserve it.
People, woman, they've not look for you harass.
She don't put her money in nothing. She not work. She not grow and do no volunteer work. I never hear that woman go to Jamaica Children Hospital and go up there, go sit down and read a bedtime story for them. Me never hear she visit the infirmities of Spanish Town and go.
So, she will take up the whole works on her head. You have people who do that. You have people who do that when I do what she do. So what? What you trying to say? She will pick up the whole works on her head? She not have a life. Okay. You have ever done that? In your time of saying you're doing charity and humanitarian work and you march this and you march that, where you have no evidence, you have ever done that before? You want she do more than what she do already? Eh? Since she never do it, why you not come and you come to Jamaica? You come spend some time. You have money like that where you say you have money. You visit Jamaica about 2 back to back, 3. You visit Jamaica about 4 times, I think, since the year started, if I'm not lying. Or between the back end of last year to this year. Have you ever packed a little bag with some clothes and carry go one little infirmary where you talk about, or one little children home? Or have you ever walk into a supermarket, a wholesale, and buy one bag of rice, one bag of chicken, one half case, one jug of oil, and carry go donate to one of these infirmary or one of these children homes? And you have so much money, you believe so much in humanitarian, because you have done it before and you have done so much where we not see? No. But a woman who will sit down so much, you still want she to do more, don't it?
They're going to give them nothing. There's a lot of things in life that you have to do than sit down in a veranda and count out money in a hand.
That you want to start, that's how you want to start charity. Jealousy, and man. It lead again to jealousy. Every time they make a statement, it leads to jealousy.
Have you ever heard she went, have you ever seen her volunteer around Jamaica?
So when she take, what do you mean volunteer around Jamaica? You come out here and say you do charity. And which part you do charity? In a local community where you come from, Cocoa Walk. What was your charity? We don't know. Make we assume. Pantry food. All clothes where you go look door to door America. Eh? Did you go around Jamaica? No. But yet still, this woman have been to more than 1 parishes outside of Kingston and St. Andrew where she's from. This woman travel miles. Me see one girl that she travel hills and valley if you go look for when all the material come to deliver the man have to deliver it way at one place. Way out of 6 mile and the girl live at 3 mile. Because the truck can't go where the girl live. You remember the girl there? And so many more. So what you say? What you say, man? What you say? Eh?
Have you ever seen her? Other than counting out money and telling lies and scraping for yourself and controlling people.
That's why you want to get in a charity
now. What kind of from that place there?
That's why you want to go in a charity because you want to scrape for yourself too. Because you say you nah run charity and the piano and the money and that. You say you say it and me I spread propaganda upon you. And you say it.
Me must move my go learn to spell before you come up here.
Not tell nobody that because I see you make one post. Let me say me find one post that she make. I don't remember which part of the post. I don't have time for wait. But I see she make one post and the amount of wrong spelling in this post. She a try spell scammer and it come like a flammer she spell. And one other word she a try to spell. And that is not typo error. That is not typo error.
I only evil people write like that. Before you come up here, go write. Go learn to spell.
Look what else what if you go learn to
go
spell.
and learn to spell.
Where right now, thank God for AI, where
Be
you
blessed and
still
highly
don't even know what you do. Because where you put in and where you get out.
I reverse the curse right back by you. I send back the curse right back by you.
You done curse already. You can't send back no
right
curse for nobody.
From first, second, third generation, I reverse
You
the
see it?
curse.
Everything
The
you
blood
had
of
pick me in
Jesus
it.
is against you.
You send back the
I
curse for you couldn't say you
reverse
send back the
the
curse for
curse
her. You have to
right
include
back by
her
you.
pitney them. And you just
The
talk
blood
about the
of
same
Jesus is
thing.
against you.
You couldn't just send back the
You
curse for
evil
her.
soul.
You
I
have to include her
reverse the curse
pitney them.
7 times. 7. On you and your pitney them. Me
The
bless
same
and
person who
highly
just talk
favor.
about
I will
pitney.
always
The
be
woman that
above
support
and not behind.
people where whatsoever pitney.
Me not ask you. My basket full of blessing, overflow.
Be a rotten. Be a rotten sitting in your basket.
I will always have
Just like how they
blessing
meet them
and
a rotten in
favor
a
over my
fridge.
life.
I see them so the things them in
And
your
no
basket where you
weapon
talk
formed
about
against
fruitful,
me.
rotten.
It cannot prosper.
Them
It
just
shall
sitting there
not,
with
and it will
fruitful
not.
basket
So
where you
don't
have
waste
rotten.
your time. Because I said, touch not what the Lord have anointed, and do his prophet no harm. She don't deserve it. I'm glad it has been taken away from her. And I hope that whatever them out there do, she don't get
Stop
it back.
her from make
until
money
she
that you
earn
do.
it. She don't earn it. Anybody will support bullying and harassment of women and children.
She not getting that award. Is it a great loss?
When them in a right to them never
It might be a good recognition, but it's not a great loss.
Let me drop in for me letter too.
Who will tell if you not drop in already? You didn't never drop in.
I just all me have to do is to make AI write it.
AI. A way you put in, a way you get out. I must say that's why you still spell the thing them wrong, because you give AI the wrong thing for right.
Yesterday, somebody sending for show. I say, what? She gets in thing, me think she me yes, she just a host in a place. Deserve what? What kind of what woman deserve? Come on social media supporting bullying and harassment of women and children.
Is it a loss for her? Is it a great loss for her not getting that award? If so be the case. No, I don't think so. Yes, you'd want to be recognized, but it's not a great loss.
She not even go to volunteer.
They're supposed to chump the car woman for award her. Or the vice president. How is the reality?
Woman spend much money. She celebrate 1 year. She not there 1 year yet. She don't reach here. She have a couple more months to go. You can't count the time when she got to Jamaica, go stay down there for much months and come back up. She not there 1 year. Or she feel celebrate 1 year and she don't spend 1 year in America. She come up for 3 months and 2 months and go back home, go spend 1, 2, 3 months and come back up. Then she not there 1 year. What kind of celebration? Tell her to go recount again. That is it. So let me go wash up my face. Wash my face and brush my teeth and get my breakfast.
I want to get the vacuum and wash your crotch too. You need the vacuum to wash your crotch. Because the amount of dust will blow upon it. Because you know where draws yourself.
For the wonderful work they have done. And the rest of people them.
Comment Michelle Bradshaw and Lorraine.
Marcia is a humanitarian person. She don't deserve it. Go find somebody worthy in America to give it to. Not her. And my word stands.
Wow.
And
let down the hammer now. Bang!
I'm not jealous of her.
What a journey.
I'm not jealous of her. If I'm jealous of somebody in Jamaica, I have jealous of the straw, them and the bush and the this and the that and the house and the young them.
But you never put yourself in a position if you're jealous of them. Or if you're jealous of somebody where you're even in them closet where them keep them dirty shoes. You can't jealous of, you can't put yourself in a league that Marcia. Take yourself out of the league there.
Remember to like.
People, you know, bless upon yourself, you know, and thanks for watching. You don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV and TikTok and YouTube. Alright? I want to don't know. Run over to the website of Charms and Trends and make a purchase of something over there. Anything you want. Tumbler over there. It's hot now. Summer. Makes America hot and I like America with a cold. Although probably some part cold, but get one of your walk-in fridge. That little fridge. Use no battery. No current. You pack it with the ice in the morning. Put your beverage on it. You're good to go for the whole day. Alright? Anything you see over there, get it customized. And the t-shirts are over there. Speak My Mind t-shirt. Support me so I can support the needy and not the greedy. Peace out.